Hi! Did you know that in the story editor, you can do much more than just write and edit an article? Let's explore together the functionalities that you can use without leaving the story editor. At this moment, you are probably familiar with all the options linked to creating a story. But if you click the three dots next to the Publish button, you will find additional options. Publication points, there you can check in which service the article was published. If it's published to more than one service or category, you will find all the links there. This view also provides information on the status of the publication and allows you to publish on a list or recommend the story to a collection. Revision history, here you can check the previous versions of the content and who made changes to them. You can also easily compare the current version with any previous one. Information about what was added and what was deleted is clearly visible in the content. If you want to restore, just click Restore button. But be careful! You can also check the history for teasers and metadata. Statistics, this feature provides insights into the performance of the article, including views and engagement metrics. If the article is published, you will see an Open Website option, which allows you to simply navigate to it on the website. Story Preview, here you can preview how the article will appear on desktop and mobile devices. If you want to send preview to someone, just copy this link. Publishing on a list and recommend to collection allows you to place the article on a specific list or in a collection directly from the story editor. Copy saved version allows you to create a copy of the last saved version of the article and open it in a new window. External content, this feature enables the creation of external stories if needed. When you place a link here, every teaser of this content on the site will lead to the link location. The story analysis verifies all imported images and their metadata, including expiration dates, selected licenses and sources, and whether the image has been moved to the trash. There are two types of messages: error, which causes publication failure and should be corrected, and warning, which indicates that publication is possible but may cause some effect in the published article. When errors are detected, for image problems, you will see in the displayed message detailed error information, the location of the error image, and the image name. The next option is Editor Settings. Here you can set the license, source, author, and flags that you want to be automatically filled in for the future content you create. Web Story and Story Score are extensions that you may not have in your view, but we strongly recommend them. Especially Story Score, which helps improve content in terms of SEO and structure. You can learn more about them in our other tutorials. These are all the additional options in the story editor. Enjoy!